I had the most amazing experience, and I felt like I could see so much more of what we're intended to be on this earth for the greater humanity, not just us as people. I have been blessed beyond measure, and I have a peace in my heart that will take with me forever. I was originally going to come to Arkana because my husband had a long addiction with heroin. He's clean now and he does really well, but we wanted to keep continuing the process, so he didn't end up coming. And I really felt that I didn't know how much I needed this until I got here. I don't know that this experience would have been as great as it was if it weren't for the patient, long suffering of all the staff that worked here. Anytime I was worried or afraid or fear had popped up with something so new, there was somebody there to guide and shepherd us back. And I really appreciated that. I feel like my heart was being prepared in ways I didn't even understand. And I think that's the beauty of it. We don't have to understand it. We just have to surrender to it and let it do what it does. Let Aya do what she does. I just want to thank Ayahuasca and everyone on the staff, and I would come back here and I would tell anybody that I knew was struggling with anything to come here.